Hello.
Honorable, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is your friend Alex Soboga.
Yes.
I'm calling from CBS Radio.
Yes.
Honorable, I'm doing a follow-up story
Yes.
in relation to what transpired yesterday.
Yes, please.
So many people are castigating you for what transpired. But do you have any regret? What is your take?
Hello, Alex.
Hello, Honorable.
Yes, please.
What is your response to people who are castigating you
Over what?
for attacking Zaake?
No, it's Zaake who attacked me. It wasn't me who attacked Zaake.
Sorry, Honorable?
I have told you the person who attacked me is Zaake, not me. Yes.
So, do you have any regret for being attacked?
Come again?
Do you regret for the reaction, the way you reacted?
No, I have never regretted when I'm attacked. I will always act. And that's the problem. I'm a very humble man that never attacked me. And there is nothing to do with coffee. People are misinterpreting what happened. Nothing to do with Copy Bill at all. Nothing to do with difference between me and Zaake completely. Up to now, I'm wondering whether the boy has a mental problem. I don't understand. He came with his own anger and attacked me. Up to now, I've never understood. But what made me more annoyed is when he's calling me a stupid Acholi. Acholi people have never been stupid. Yes.
So, in totality, are you summarizing that the way the boy was brought up had so many questions?
I don't know how it's been brought up, but I wonder, I'm thinking he has a mental problem, and I will advise the mental specialist to check that man.
Okay, Honorable, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.